Imagine stepping into a space that feels like an artistic escape, full of warmth, character, and effortless charm. Bohemian style isn't just a design choice, it's a way of life, embracing creativity, comfort, and individuality. If you love a mix of patterns, textures, and natural elements, then this is the perfect aesthetic for your studio apartment. In this video, we're diving into how you can bring that free-spirited bohemian vibe into your home, even in a small space. Get ready for stunning design ideas, expert tips, and practical ways to create a boho chic sanctuary. Stay with us till the end for a cozy design secret you won't want to miss. And if you love home styling content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let us know in the comments which boho element is your favorite. Bohemian interiors are all about expressing individuality and creativity through a mix of colors, textures, and cultural influences. This style is rooted in a love for the unconventional, blending artistic elements with nature, vintage finds, and global-inspired decor. Unlike modern or minimalist designs that focus on sleek lines and symmetry, boho interiors embrace an eclectic, collected-over-time feel. The key to achieving this effortlessly curated look is layering and mixing different design elements without feeling overly structured. Start by selecting a warm, earthy base. Shades like terracotta, deep greens, or sandy neutrals work beautifully. Then, introduce pops of rich jewel tones such as emerald, mustard, or burgundy to bring warmth and vibrancy into your space. The beauty of Bohemian style is that it celebrates imperfection and spontaneity. So don't be afraid to experiment with different pieces until the space truly reflects your personality. Nature plays a vital role in Bohemian interiors, adding an organic and calming presence. Incorporate natural materials like rattan, jute, wood, and linen to bring texture and authenticity to the space. Houseplants are an essential feature. Think oversized monsteras, hanging pothos, or delicate ferns placed in woven baskets or handmade ceramic pots. They not only add a fresh and lively feel, but also enhance the cozy, lived-in atmosphere that makes boho spaces so inviting. If you want to enhance the artistic vibe, consider adding handmade elements like macrame wall hangings, hand-woven rugs, or artisanal pottery. These small but impactful details help build the story of your home, making it feel curated and filled with character. Remember, Bohemian design is not about following strict rules. It's about creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, and uniquely yours. In this easy step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through transforming your studio apartment into a warm, eclectic, and effortlessly stylish bohemian retreat. Step 1. Start with a neutral base. Boho interiors thrive on layers, but to keep your small space from feeling overwhelming, begin with soft, earthy tones like warm whites, sandy beiges, or muted terracottas. This neutral backdrop will allow your colorful decor and patterns to shine. Step 2. Mix and match textures. Texture is the soul of Bohemian design. Incorporate woven rugs, macrame wall hangings, rattan furniture, and soft linen curtains to create depth and coziness. The more varied, the better. Step 3. Curate unique, mismatched furniture. Forget about matching furniture sets. Vintage finds, handcrafted pieces, and thrifted treasures bring authentic character. Choose a comfy floor cushion, a distressed wooden coffee table, or a velvet armchair for that perfect, relaxed vibe. Step 4. Add plants for a lush, organic feel. No boho space is complete without lush greenery. Hanging pothos, a large fiddle leaf fig, or a row of tiny succulents will breathe life into your apartment. Step 5. Personalize with meaningful accessories. Finally, bring in travel souvenirs, handcrafted ceramics, cozy candles, and layered bohemian prints to reflect your unique personality. And that's it. Your Bohemian sanctuary is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dreamy home transformations. Choosing the right furniture for a Bohemian-style studio apartment means prioritizing comfort, character, and versatility. Since studio spaces are often compact, selecting multifunctional pieces is key to maintaining a cozy yet functional environment. Start with a comfortable, inviting seating area. Opt for a plush, deep-seated sofa or a vintage-inspired daybed adorned with layered cushions and throws. If space allows, floor seating, such as tufted poofs or oversized floor pillows, adds a yaoi, relaxed, informal touch that is quintessentially Bohemian. A wooden coffee table, especially one with a distressed or hand-carved finish, acts as a statement piece, while also providing practical storage. Low-profile furniture helps create an airy, open feel, making the room seem larger and more laid back. If you have the opportunity, hunt for unique second-hand pieces at thrift stores or flea markets. The charm of aged wood and well-worn textures enhances the eclectic boho aesthetic. Storage is another crucial element in a studio apartment, and Bohemian design embraces creative solutions. Instead of bulky cabinets, opt for open shelving made of reclaimed wood or floating shelves adorned with woven baskets and decorative trinkets. A vintage trunk or a carved wooden chest can double as storage and a coffee table, keeping clutter at bay while adding to the aesthetic. For dining solutions, a small bistro table paired with mismatched chairs adds charm without overwhelming the space. If you need a workspace, choose a compact wooden desk with a woven or macrame chair to maintain the boho feel. Remember, Bohemian style is about storytelling. Each furniture piece should have character and history, making your home feel like a unique, well-traveled retreat rather than a showroom. Bohemian style thrives on layers, and the easiest way to achieve that rich, cozy feel is through textiles. Rugs, curtains, cushions, and bedding are essential in transforming a studio apartment into a warm, inviting sanctuary. Start with an area, rug, Persian, Moroccan, or a simple woven jute rug to define your space. Layering rugs adds depth and helps create distinct zones within a studio layout. If you love a more relaxed, lived-in look, consider overlapping different styles and sizes of rugs. Your seating area, whether a couch, daybed, or floor cushions, should be dressed with an abundance of throw pillows in varying patterns, colors, and textures. This creates a casual, inviting atmosphere that feels effortlessly stylish. Soft, flowing curtains, preferably in sheer linen or gauzy cotton, allow natural light to filter in while maintaining privacy and an airy aesthetic. Your bed should be the ultimate cozy retreat, embracing a mix of textures and layers to create a dreamy, boho-inspired haven. Choose soft, breathable bedding in earthy tones and pile on throws, quilts, or a chunky knit blanket for extra warmth. Mixing different patterns, florals, paisleys, or tribal prints, adds to the free-spirited nature of the style. A canopy or a simple macrame wall hanging above your bed can instantly elevate the space, making it feel cozy and artistic. Don't forget about texture on the walls. Woven tapestries, kilim-style wall art, or draped fabrics bring a tactile, intimate feel to the space. Ultimately, layering textiles is about creating depth and comfort, making your home feel like a personal sanctuary that encourages relaxation and creativity. Accessories are what truly bring a bohemian interior to life, adding character, warmth, and personal touches. Boho decor isn't about perfectly curated, symmetrical arrangements. It's about storytelling and collecting meaningful pieces that reflect your journey, travels, and personality. Start with handmade ceramics, vintage trinkets, and woven baskets to create an authentic, artisanal vibe. Books are another great accessory. Stack them casually on open shelves, or even on the floor next to a seating area for a relaxed, artistic touch. Adding sculptural elements like driftwood, handcrafted pottery, or brass figurines enhances the curated feel of the space. Wall decor plays a big role too. Consider incorporating gallery walls with a mix of framed artwork, mirrors, and textiles for a layered, collected look. Lighting is another defining feature of a bohemian space. Swap harsh, overhead lights for softer, ambient options like woven rattan pendant lamps, Moroccan lanterns, or fairy lights draped across walls or headboards. Candles, Himalayan salt lamps, and Edison bulb string lights create a warm, inviting glow that enhances the boho atmosphere. If you love a touch of the whimsical, consider hanging a beaded chandelier or a handmade macrame light fixture. Accessories should feel organic and thoughtfully placed. Avoid cluttering the space, but embrace a slightly undone look. This creates a home that feels effortlessly styled, as if every piece was collected over time rather than meticulously planned. While bohemian interiors embrace an eclectic, layered look, it's essential to create balance, especially in a studio apartment where space is limited. The key to making boho style work in a small area is to focus on flow and openness. Instead of filling the room with too many bold pieces, choose a few statement items and complement them with softer, neutral elements. Keep the larger furniture pieces, like your sofa, bed, or storage unit, in natural tones to maintain a cohesive feel, while layering in color through accessories, rugs, and artwork. Strategic placement of furniture is important too. Keep pathways clear to ensure a sense of openness, and use multifunctional pieces to maximize every inch of your space. To enhance the sense of depth and movement, incorporate vertical elements like tall bookshelves, hanging planters, or wall-mounted decor. Mirrors are another great trick. Placing a large mirror on a wall or leaning it against a corner can instantly make the room feel larger and brighter. Since Bohemian interiors thrive on a connection to nature, integrating greenery is a must. Hanging planters, terrariums, and potted plants can be placed on shelves, windowsills, or even suspended from the ceiling to add organic texture without taking up floor space. The goal is to make your home feel effortlessly stylish yet functional, where every piece has a purpose while still embracing the carefree, artistic spirit of boho design. And there you have it, your guide to transforming a simple studio apartment into a bohemian dream. With cozy textures, artistic decor, and a blend of old and new, you can create a space that reflects your personality and feels like a sanctuary. Whether you're a lover of vibrant patterns, natural elements, or vintage treasures, boho style allows you to design freely and creatively. Which of these bohemian elements are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring home decor ideas. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating.